According to question, assuming the ABC sequence, if VCA like this one, VCA is given, that is 208 means line voltage, clear? That is line voltage. In if balanced three phase circuit, find AB, BC, AN, BN, whatever. Okay. First of all, remind fundamental. If AN, that is VP at the angle 0, what about BN? VP at the angle minus 120 corresponding to phase sequence ABC. If A phase sequence ABC, then A, B, C represent like this one, clear? Plus 120, or you can say that VP at the angle minus 240, clear? Corresponding to this one plus 120, and corresponding to this one minus 120, and corresponding to this one minus 240, clear? Now I know that BN is also written as VP at the angle 0 into minus 120. VP at the angle 0 means that is V of AN. So you can say that BN is written as AN at the angle minus 120. So similarly VCN is also written as AN at the angle plus 120 or AN at the angle minus 240, clear? It means you can also represent better to write AN at the angle plus 120, and BN is also better write AN at the angle minus 120, clear? Now what about AB? AB is written as AN minus BN. AN minus BN means that is AN. What about BN? Corresponding to this one minus BN, like this one. Resultant of AN plus AN minus BN, that is AB, it is root 3 VP at the angle, this one is 30 degree, so plus 30 degree. So this one is written as root 3 VP at the angle plus 30 degree. Similarly, you can also written as root 3 VP at the angle 0 into 1 plus 30, sorry 1 into 30 degree. So root 3 into V of AN at the angle plus 30 degree. So V of AB is written as like this one. Similarly, what about BC? If this this one is a phase sequence. Now if according to question, assuming the ABC sequence means AB, or you can say that AN, BN, CN, angle between AN, BN, that is 120, BN, CN, that is 120. Okay, BN between CN, that is 120, 120, 120. Similarly, line voltage also V of AB, V of BC, V of CA, angle between AB and BC, that is 120. So if AB like this one, then what about BC? BC represent like this one. This one is minus 120, or you can say that that is plus 90. So AB, after that BC, after that BC, because of phase sequence is ABC, that's why written as root 3 times VP at the angle minus 90 degree. After that VCA, this is equal to corresponding to this one, clear? Minus 120, clear? Now here 1, that is plus 120 and plus 30, finally we written as root 3 VP at the angle plus 150. So you can also written as BC root 3 VP at the angle, that is root 3 VP at the angle minus 90, or you can say that root 3 AN at the angle minus 90, and CA root 3 VP at the angle plus 150, or you can say that root 3 AN at the angle plus 150. Okay, clear? Similarly VP is written as also AN. Okay, now according to question, VCA is given 208 at the angle plus 20, this is equal to root 3 AN and 1 plus 150. So what about AN? AN is written as 120.08 at the angle minus 130. So what about AN? Finally we got AN is 120.08 at the angle minus 130. What about BN? Corresponding to BN, BN is written as, BN is this value putting here. So 102 at the angle minus 130 into 1 at the angle minus 120. So written as 120.08 at the angle minus 250. And what about CN? CN is also written as 120.08 at the angle minus 130 into 1 at the angle 120. Okay. This one, that is 120.08 at the angle minus 10 degree. That is minus 10. Clear? First of all, make ABCD ABC. Okay. Now, clear? Now, minus 120, sorry, minus CN is CN 120, clear? That is minus 10, clear? Now VCN, first of all, VCN, that is VCN is written as 120.08 at the angle minus 10. Okay, clear? Minus 10 degree. After that A, because of that is phase sequence is ABC, that's why C after that A. Okay. A is, what about AN? AN is minus 130. So this one is minus 120. What about that is minus 130. So what about AN? AN represent here, that is 120.08 at the angle, that is minus 130. Clear? After that BN 2G minus 250. This angle is minus 240. So BN represent like here, that is 120.08 at the angle minus 250. Clear? This one is minus 10. So this angle is minus 250. Clear? Now check. If A, B, C, angle between AB, A and B, that is minus 120, clear? And B, and this one also minus 120. Okay. If any doubt, what about this angle? Minus 10 means that is plus 110. It means BN is also written as 120.08. 110 plus 10, that is 120. Now here this angle minus 10 and this one is minus 130 minus this angle is also 1 plus 120. Okay, clear? And this one is also 120. Clear? So finally we get, you can say that this phasor is satisfy this AN, BN, CN condition. So now next one, our motto, line AB, BC and CA. Make it. AB determined with the help of, what about AB? AB is written root 3 120.08. AN is like this one at the angle minus 130 into 1 at the angle plus 30. So finally it is written as 208 at the angle minus 100. That is AB. Okay. Now we have focus on BC. BC is root 3 AN. Root 3 AN means 120.08 at the angle minus 130 into minus 90. Clear? So finally that is 208 at the angle that is minus 220 volt BC. If any doubt, check VCA also. Root 3 20.08 at the angle plus 150 and first of all written AN, value of AN into 150 plus 150. Okay, so finally we got 208 at the angle plus 20. Clear? Satisfy this value. After that we make now same condition, AN after that BN after that CN, because of this phase sequence is ABC. What about AN? AN means not AN, AB after that BC after that CA. AB 208 minus 110, 100 minus 100. Minus 100 means that is V of AB, that is 208 at the angle minus 100, that is minus 100. Clear? After that 120 BC of AB, what? This one angle is minus 240. Now corresponding to this one, that is minus 220. 220 means this one represent like this one. It means 220. That is BC. BC is 208 at the angle minus 220. Clear? After that CA is plus what CA? 208 plus 20. It means it represent like this one. That is CA. That is 208 at the angle plus 20. Clear? This one is plus 20. Okay. Now AB, after that angle between AB and BC 120, and CA and AB, that is minus 120. Clear? Now, and this one is also minus 120. Clear? So it is clear. It means your answer is correct. Okay. For verification of your answer is right or wrong, we make phasor. Okay, we make phasor. Otherwise, we use formula, this type of formula, and solve it. Okay, but you can sure your answer is correct, that then we draw the phasor. Okay, make it.